Hello everyone, warm welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. Yaje here with another gardening video. Today's video is about growing the scent leaf. I will share with you what it takes to get the scent leaf seeds to sprout. There is a secret, and if you have been struggling with getting your scent leaf seeds to germinate, keep watching. By watching this video, I guarantee you that you will be able to get your scent leaf seeds to finally sprout. Secret number one, ensure that the seeds that you have are still viable, which means that the seeds have been properly stored. The African basil seeds can last for up to 5 years if the seeds were stored in a cool, dark place. Here I have my cool dark place, this container right here. I have some African basil seeds from my garden. They were properly collected. They are dry in this glass container, labeled with the date on it. It's in an envelope right here, labeled with the date. This is from 2022. I do put it in here, in this glass jar. Ensure it's dry, and then in here I ensure it is in a dark place so that these seeds can last for at least 5 years. So you want to make sure that your seeds are viable. If you save them from the garden yourself, or if you're buying them from someplace online, make sure it's a reputable source. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. If you want to purchase some African basil seeds, that is the scent leaf seeds, you can click on that link and get your seeds, and you'll be guaranteed that those seeds will germinate. Secret number two, do not start your scent leaf seeds directly in the garden. Why? Number one, the scent leaf seeds are super tiny. You put them out here in the garden, you might never know what will happen to them. Ants can carry the seeds away, birds can carry the seeds away. If it rains, the rainwater might just wash your seeds away. It might get mixed up with weed, who knows what. So do not start your scent leaf seeds directly in the garden. Instead, this is what you should do. Secret number three, we are gonna use either a potting mix soil, like this one, it says potting mix on the label, or you can use a seed starting mix such as this one. My preference is that you use the potting mix soil, and that is because the potting mix soil already has nutrients in it that are gonna support growth of your scent leaf for the first few weeks of life. And if you use the potting mix soil, then go ahead and filter out some of the large wood particles. You'll find that it has large particles such as these in here. We don't want that, because if the tiny seed lands on the large particles, it will not germinate. So what we want to do is remove these, separate this from this, and this is what we're going to use to grow our scent leaf seeds in. And here is secret number four. After broadcasting your seeds like so, do not cover the seeds. We are just going to lightly press it down like so to make contact with the soil. So just press it down. Don't cover the seeds. Trust me on this one. Don't cover the seeds. Press the seeds down. And that's number four. And here's secret number five. The African basil plant requires light for germination. The seeds require light for germination. So what we're gonna do is look for a spot in your house, as in next to a window, and we're gonna put this right here and wait for it to germinate. Also, if you have a setup such as this one right here, this is a seed sprouter. It has light in here. and it is also sitting on a heat mat. You can also put this inside and it will germinate. So guys, I followed all of those steps I shared with you, and this is what I have. This is the kind of germination you will have. This one has been sitting on a heat mat. If you can afford a heat mat, use it. It will speed up germination and the light, and you will have some germination. So that is how you get your scent leaf to germinate. Make sure that the seeds are viable, they've been properly stored, or you're getting the seeds from a reputable source. Check in the description box below. I'm going to put a link if you're looking for the scent leaf seeds. Then number 2, do not use soil from the garden. Instead, use either a seed starting mix or potting soil. And if you use a potting soil, make sure that you separate out the wood particles. And then when you plant the seeds, do not cover the seeds, just press it down and then put it next to a light source, like next to a window, or if you're using a super sprouter that has a bulb in there like that, you can also use that to get your African basil seeds to sprout. So those are the secrets. Now you know. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tips such as this one. Share this video with somebody that you know might want to grow the scent leaf. I'm going to keep you posted. Bye.